We are running with Hump A Floor, aka Bud, because I don't want to call him Hump. Bow, 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 bow. Okay. Oh, let's get in here. There's no way I died to a Phoenix last raid. That's actually crazy.
You wanna know the best thing about how we haven't explored yet? We've actually had. Yo, brother. I got you, my brother. You're
gonna die, bro.
Nuh-uh. He didn't even shoot me once. Don't know what you're yapping about. Yo! W!
W.
I thought I was the only one that did that.
Oh, shoot.
Yo, you wanna see a magic trick?
Shoot your friends? Yeah. Boom, boom, boom.
Wait. Does the glitch still work? I wanna test it out.
No, it doesn't.
Wait. Shut. Yeah.
That don't work.
That glitch was so fun.
Yeah.
You know, what are these signs?
Don't walk into there.
I kind of want to end up like this guy. Yeah,
Like that guy? We're good, homie. Why is he so long?
What if I go to his foot? I want to see them feet.
Yo, there's blood. Look. Combat waffle.